Hi guys, this is Huzaifa and welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is fine. Today video is based on Naruto Shippuden home screen and the characters are Naruto and Sasuke. Hope you all love it. Before starting the video, I have a little request to everyone: subscribe my YouTube channel, also follow me on Instagram and Telegram. The link of the social accounts are added in the video description. Without any further delay, let's start the video. First, have a look on your setup. Simply tap on the fingerprint icon and have a look on your app drawer. There are two tabs, number one is apps and other is games. You can add your favorite games into this tab. Now go back to the main screen and have a look on the required apps. Download all the apps: Nova Launcher, Nova Launcher Prime, Custom Widget and Custom Widget Pro. The app I am using in the setup is Finesta and the other is Rainbow Custom Widget Pack. The icon pack I used is Lux Red Icon Pack, and you can use ZArchiver or any other file manager app which has an extract feature. Now let's begin the tutorial. So guys, first you have to go any browser and open my website link, which is www.zeffisetups.com. After opening the site, go to the mega menu, tap on the Naruto Shippuden post and download the backup and wallpaper folder. The zip folder is protected with the password. You have to watch video till end. Now go back to the main screen. Open the ZArchiver or any other file manager which has an extract feature. Go to the download folder and extract the zip file. The password is rivals in small words. Yesterday I received a comment on my Reddit post that your zip folder doesn't contain any wallpaper. So I am showing to you. When I made this setup or any other setups, I always recheck the zip folder. Okay. See the wallpaper, the backup file and the fingerprint widget. Now go back to the main screen. Open the Nova settings, open backup and restore. Go to the restore backup and select the backup file. Tap on it, then press OK. Now hold the screen, tap on the wallpapers, go to the pick image, tap on the wallpaper and set wallpaper to the home screen. Your wallpaper is set. Now you have to adjust the widgets. Tap on the top widget, open the search and type 019. Select the rainbow widget. You have to do nothing. Simply go to the globals, tap on color. First remove all the text and type FFAE tetra 0. Then tap on apply. Now open the items, tap on overlap group, go to the position and edit its Y offset to -20. Then press OK. After that, go to the widget touch, tap on custom action, again tap and select disabled block touch. Then press save button. Now tap on the fingerprint widget which is on third number. Go to the library, tap on the import and import the fingerprint widget from the downloaded folder. Tap on it and press save button. Now go back to the main screen, tap on the second widget, open the search bar and type 00122. Open the Finesta widget. First you have to remove the time. After that, replace the date with your name, or but you want to add hello or hey, just add it. Then press OK. After that, go to the first page, open the layer, edit its scale to 120. then press OK. Now go to the globals, replace the C2 color with the previous color which I add in the first widget. Color combination is the very important part in the setup. Type FFAE tetra 0. Then tap on apply. It's out of the frame. Now we have to edit the widget position. Follow the steps. Go to the items, open stack group, open position. First change its anchor. I think center is the right. Now edit its X offset to -20. Now go to the widget touch, tap on custom action, again tap and select disable block touch, then press save button. Now go back to the main screen. So guys, this is your Naruto home screen setup and I am sure you all love it. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe. Also share this video to your friends who are anime lovers or customization lovers. We'll see you in next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.